Yeah, CES 240.
Okay. Could I see it?
Yeah. If the camera can reach down there, it's kind of bare.
Don't worry about it then. Don't worry about it. Yeah. I just like to find out what it is.
Right.
I'll go ahead and get in then, sure. Oh, nice doors.
Yeah, Julio Mendez, I don't know if you know him. He had
Julio Mendez, I've heard of him.
Yeah. Built the doors, and him and Kyle Rubino built the box.
Okay.
I did the install.
Wow. So what all was in here equipment-wise?
We got 4 Skar ZVX18s on 4 SoundQubed 2250s, each at 1 ohm. Like I said, CES 240 alt, and I got a 90 amp hour C-Max.
C-Max.
All
okay.
full tilt audio wiring.
All right. How's that lithium doing for you?
It does okay. I'm having some alt charging issues, so you're gonna see us drop a little bit.
Yeah.
4th order? Yes, sir.
And you built it?
No, Julio.
Julio.
And Kyle
Okay,
built
that's
it.
right. Yep.
I just did all the wiring and the electrical stuff.
Sealed off on the top, still on the sides you got to do?
Yeah, I still got to do the sides. We're very much in progress.
I understand. You're good. Do you know the specs of the box?
It's 11 cubes sealed, 14.5 ported.
All right.
Tuned to 48.
Okay. All right. Fire extinguisher?
Yeah, we're still very much in progress, so
you're good, man.
Things can still hit the fan.
Yes, sir.
I'll find something that does okay. Oh, yes, sir.
And what was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. All right.
Ain't get to see my niggas, ain't get to hold my mama, couldn't even give her no kisses, can't even post on my Instagram, could he pussy nigga be snitching, everybody had a suspicion, might probably say that I'm tripping, when I'm all alone in my jail cell, I tend to get in my feelings, and all I smoke is that loud, don't pass me no midget. And I'ma smoke all of my pain away, 'cause that's the only thing that gon' heal it. I don't know you and me. That's it. She down. Tape around his
You can feel all that pressure coming from the core. That's nice, dude.
Yeah, man.
And they're at 1 ohm, so I mean that's pretty impressive. You know. You know how much you're clamping? Have you clamped
I've not
power-wise yet?
clamped it yet.
Okay. Awesome. Whew. That feels good. Have you metered it?
Yeah, it did a 53 at 45.
53, okay.
So, I mean, it wasn't built for numbers, so...
Yeah, you could demo pretty well.
Yeah.
And of course, you still got to seal off the sides,
right.
too, so. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, thanks for the demo, Tyler.
Well, anytime, brother.
It was nice to meet you, too, man.
You too.
Thanks for a good walk around as well, all the information you knew about it. And your voltage wasn't too bad. You still...
It was okay. I had to rev it up a little bit to keep up there.
You got to do that with the alternator RPM. Yeah. Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Nice to meet you, Tyler.
You too, buddy. Yeah, we're still very much in progress, so
You're good, man.
things can still...
What was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler.
Might probably say that I'm tripping when I'm all alone in my jail cell. I tend to get in my feelings. You know that smoke is that loud. Don't pass me no midget. And I'ma smoke all of my pain away, 'cause that's the only thing that's gon' heal it. I don't know. Tape around his body.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.